And our next tip, tip number 7, is to build sentences. So I know that as a language learner, sentence structure, learning sentence structure is very important. But because if words are in the wrong order, people may not understand what you are trying to say. But I also know it's difficult to try to get the correct sentence structure. So one thing you can do is to practice putting the words in the correct order. What you can do is take a sentence that you already know is correct, and you can make word bricks. So we call them word bricks. On our website, we have a bunch of word bricks. And you can then change the order of the words and then put them back in the order. So for example, I took a sentence that I know is correct because Jenny wrote it for me and she is a teacher, so I know it's right. Then I made cards with each word and shuffled them up. So I changed the order, and now I will put them back in the right order. So you can do this. You can take a lot of sentences and make cards or word bricks with them and rearrange the order and then practice that way with a lot of cards to make it more difficult. Or if you want, you can just take one sentence, shuffle the cards up, and rearrange them. So we're going to practice with a bunch of word bricks. And today we have 9 word bricks that I made, and the question is, which sentence is correct? So out of these cards, out of these words, what sentence or sentences can you make? That is my school building. That building is my school. My school is that building. Or all of the sentences are correct. Do you guys have any guesses about this one?
I think that all of the sentences are correct, which is what is really cool about word bricks. You can make as many sentences as possible. So if we were playing this in a classroom, would we have each word brick cut out and then we could move them around?
Yes. So unfortunately, we can't have them in 3D right here on the web chat, but that's
maybe
exactly
in the future.
Right. So that's another reason I want to travel to the future. But we would cut these out and have them, we could put them all over our desk and then rearrange the order of them. And it looks like a lot of you, the great thing about this poll is every answer is correct, but the last answer is the most correct, that all of the sentences are correct. So what I want you to do now is I want you in the chat box to make a new sentence from these word bricks. What's another sentence that you can make?
So we're looking for one more sentence.
One more sentence with any of these word bricks. So Jenny, can you make a sentence with?
I'm thinking my class is in that school building. My class is in that school building.
Great. Excellent sentence, Amy.
Wow.
And I see that some of you are great sentences. My class is in that school. She is in that building. She is in the class. These are great. So as you can see, there are a lot, just from 9 words put on cards that we shuffle up, we can make a lot of sentences. So this is one way that you can practice sentence structure.